This is pretty good, actually. This is a solid massage.
Daniel と Yuka.
The Predator Gaming Chair collaboration with OSIM. About 2 months ago, I saw a really interesting video by Unbox Therapy. He happened to have a promotional code for the OSIM Gaming Massage Chair. Today, we are going to be doing a face-off between Swiss Ball, which has been our editing chair for the past 6 months, versus the brand new Predator collaboration with OSIM, the world's first gaming massage chair. It also has inbuilt Bluetooth speakers and the piece de resistance, an inbuilt massage feature. But wait, that's not all. We also got this included. UVision 3, the eye massager for your digital lifestyle. So, let's get started. And here we are, one instruction manual. This looks like the base. Look at this. Wow, it's kind of like one of those kickboxing pads. Wow, it's... Oh, shit! That kind of hurts. An electric chair. This. So, in this little box of tricks, we have what appears to be an adjustable headrest pillow. Nice texture. Oh. The downfall of society. I kind of really want to push it, but it doesn't really do anything that I know of. I think this is the adjustable gas lift. And here we have 5 wheels and a bunch of bolts. It's quite interesting. See, it's like a Allen key on that side and a plus screwdriver on this side. Very easy. And how many bolts are there? 2 black things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 little screws. So basically, there's only 4 bolts and 2 screws. So this whole massive thing is 4 bolts, 2 screws. That's pretty simple. I think I've made a bit of a mess. I'd better clean up before Yuka cracks. So, here we go. Is this filming? Oh, it rolls so Sure. Wow, this is actually pretty cool. It's like working on some knots on my shoulder. Oh, now it's up to, oh yeah. This is pretty good, actually. This is a solid massage. It's doing a range of motions. It's like, especially around the neck area, that feels really good. It's very strong. It's sort of like a ball, like a rotating ball. It seems to have different intensities, different rhythms, and then you can sort of lean back if you want to manually add a bit more pressure into certain parts of the massage. Now, I think the automatic cycle goes for about 15 minutes.
This is worth to buy.
So you're not angry that I spent nearly $1,000 on this chair? Okay, I'm gonna stop. So, that brings us to the end of another video. So don't forget to smash that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring the bell for the notifications if you enjoyed our content. See you next time. Bye. Is it making your nose feel funny? Oh my gosh, it's making my nose tickle.
If we heat it up.
No, it is supposed to heat up. Now the final thing that I need to test on this chair is the Bluetooth speaker. Let's see if this is actually any good. Sorry, Swiss ball, you've been relegated to footrest.